Today I will show you what happened with the screen protector on my iPad. One of the screen protectors I got was broken. This was the ESR screen protector I bought from Amazon, and the second one I installed it. There's always going to be some dust, and here there are a few under the glass. You know it's under the glass when you wipe and it doesn't move. So here I see 3 in the corner, but they are in the corner, so it's not really a big deal. And I think it's just those 3 in the corner, really. Maybe here, but in bright sunlight you would notice them, but when the screen is on I can't see them. They're really invisible. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually replace the screen protector. I emailed the manufacturer to tell them that one of the screen protectors was broken. They were really good with this. They sent the replacement with DHL, so it arrived pretty fast. I don't know what happened with the original screen protector, why it was broken. Maybe it was broken during transport. The box looked okay, but anything could happen during transport, really. Okay, so this is not really sealed much. That's interesting. It's barely sealed, but it came with a trusted courier. So let's see. Okay, so the screen protector is this one. I see it's sealed on both ends. It's a nice new box, and there are 2 pieces inside, 2 screen protectors. It even has this little thing. I wanna open it and see that it's not broken inside. So it's for iPad Pro 13-inch 2024 and 2025. And it's the same as the previous screen protector I unboxed before. It was the same thing. I'll get the iPad out of the way. Okay, so iPad out of the way. So this is the case. The same screen protector, tempered glass screen protector, all the information there. And I wanna open it to make sure that it's not broken. Okay, ESR, 2 pieces. I will get it opened right now. Okay, so I have this, it's a bit of seal, so I could open this one and this one. That's it. Imagine if this one is broken too. That would be funny. No, okay, so this is the back. I don't know, it kind of looks different than the previous one, or it's the same. Maybe it's the same. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay, so they have their logo here. It's the same as the previous time, and let's see. So it's still doing that thing. I think this is how the previous one broke. You see this part here went up here, and now because during transport they move around things, but because here you have under it you have that, there is that pin, and because of that it's probably broke. So I think the previous shipment, the box in the previous shipment, probably it was shocked somewhere here, and then these 2 glass screen protectors, they hit there is a pin there. I will show you right now. So that's the information. I have the video installing it, the previous one. I installed one of them, so I'm not really gonna show all this now, it's already there. So we have here, this is let's see. I just want to see now if they are in one piece. So this one looks okay. The glass on it looks okay. Everything looks okay for this one. And the next one also looks okay. There are some bubbles here, but it's normal to have bubbles within this stuff. So this is a bit bent here. They should be both like that. Maybe no, I don't know. And there are two cleaning kits, and this is the point where the previous one got hit, probably. Okay, so you see now, when I remove this, there is a pin here. So if you get any hit there, this, because they were a bit outside, they would be hit, and that's how it happens. So I will try to put them aligned with this pin there. I don't know why they don't install them like this from the factory when they seal them. So like this, it wouldn't shift, it wouldn't move around. I guess it's because of this side here, it doesn't fit well, I don't know. But no, you can fit it properly like this. So I locked it in, they are both locked in, but here it could break, so that's why. So now I have to remove it from here. I'll try to do it without breaking anything. Yeah, so this here is the support for that. But you see, this was on top of it like that. It's interesting that it should go under. Okay, that's the problem. That's the reason why they get broken like this, because this thing it's not sticking out. Okay, so now the cleaning kits there. I will align the holes like right there, and also I align one of them here, so it's nice and secure. This is much better now. So this goes to the hole here. Everything is supported in the middle. Yeah, it all looks good. Let me know if you want to see me install it again, but hopefully I don't need to install it again. But maybe because of that dust, maybe I will. Maybe I... Okay, I'm just closing the box back. I want to make sure there's no dust getting into it. Okay, so now this is ready to install, and I'm still thinking if I will install it or not to have no dust under the screen protector, but I'm not sure. There's always going to be some dust above it, but it's really annoying when it's under it and you see it sometimes. So let me know if you would replace the screen protector if you were me, or wait a little bit in case if I need to. I hope I don't have to replace the screen protector for real reasons like breaking it, but I don't know. I think maybe here I can see it here. You see this one, right? Where is it? Here. That one there. I don't know. I'll see about it. If it gets replaced, I'll make a video about it. The replacement they sent was in one piece, nothing was broken, because most probably this was damaged during shipping. A shock here, it would still break the glass, and the box wouldn't get crushed, it wouldn't get squashed, it would still be, it would look okay, but if it had a shock here, it would break the glass under it. And because every time it looks like they don't put it how it's supposed to be, with that pin going through the guides and everything, that's why it breaks like that. But eventually I was able to install one of them, and now I have these two as extras, and hopefully I'll never need to change the screen protector to buy another screen protector. Thanks for watching.